In JavaScript, the array pop method removes the last element from an array and returns it. Let's give ourselves an array, so let r equals an array containing 1, 2, and 3. Let's console.log r.pop and console.log after the pop. If we run the code, you'll see printing the call to pop prints the item that pop removed, and printing the array after the call to pop prints the array with the last item removed. This is all pop can do. You cannot specify an index and remove any item with pop. Finally, note that JavaScript is totally fine with you calling pop on an empty array, so don't write code thinking you'll get an error from doing that. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.